In this video, I'll show you how to fix could not send message problem on Messenger. So if you're frequently getting could not send error while you're trying to send any message through Messenger, then here's the step-by-step guide to fix the problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so the only way to fix the couldn't send message problem is just to open up the Messenger application from your Android or iPhone first, and from the Messenger homepage, tap on this menu button at the bottom right, and then tap on settings here, and from the settings you just need to scroll down and tap on help, and this will redirect you to this page, and from here just need to tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then tap on account management, and then tap on fix a problem. Now this time you just need to scroll down a little bit, and here you get another option called limit to send message on Messenger. You just need to select that and then scroll down from this page, and here it says was it helpful. You just need to select no, and this might give you a few different options, and from the list you just need to select other, and once you select that, go ahead and tap on select, and this is going to give you the option to write more. So you just need to write your problem right here. So I already written something about my problem here, so you can write the way you want, and right after that simply go and tap on submit, and once you do that, the report will be submitted, and most likely your problem is going to be solved as soon as possible. And this is the way to fix couldn't send message on Messenger. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.